how ugly my car is.
It's like, what the fuck? This is Ken's car. Don't judge it off of looks right now. He has my terrible stock wheels, but it is an intake tune and header car and E85, so it is kind of quick for what it is. But then look at how great my car looks on his wheels. Hey. You guys haven't met Ken yet. Say hi, Ken.
Hi, Ken.
I hate you. What kind of power did your car make?
484, and I think it was 430.
What'd you do at the track, I mean?
1151.
1151. What do
There's
you...
room for improvement, for sure.
Even though my Ford stars are right here, we gave Ken my
The shit wheels.
horrible stocks.
Take a good look at the offset that fitment.
You need a spacer real bad.
Like a 2-foot space there.
But we're over here today because we're putting my splitter on finally.
And badges.
We're putting on my, I have black badges as well, so we're gonna do a little TLC that the cars needed.
Hi.
Are we rolling?
Hi.
Hi. So this splitter that I got is from CJ Funny Parts. It's a Rally Innovations 3-piece. So we are unboxing it today. Oh, nothing in that one.
And installing.
Seeing how quickly we can install this. It says it's going to be about an hour to an hour and a half. So.
But this is a glorified Ken and Brian project. So, that being said.
We're usually pretty proficient. Sometimes.
So I'm assuming this is probably the middle piece. Wow, it's heavier than I was expecting. Oh, just said I wanted a big ass aluminum one. I'm serious about that. Because I wanted an aluminum one on the CTS.
Give you a big ass aluminum one. Now let's see that fit and finish. Wow. Saucy. Wow.
It's like Christmas. Oh, it has a little arrow. It's got mini arrow. I'm so excited. Because the more and more I was seeing yours and seeing that huge ass, like, under the wheel well,
Yeah.
I was wanting it more and more. I was like, damn it, Ralph.
A little chunky, but
Where's the hardware?
In the box, in the bag, up there along with the stickers.
Oh, you already took all that. So we also have,
A plethora of stickers.
because it's going to add all the horsepower.
All the
but
horsepower.
These are actual, we got them from UPR. Thank you again, UPR. We got actual OEM badges. We just have to put them on because they're blacked out. So OEM real Ford badges. I decided to only do just the 5-liter badges because a lot of people, what the trend has kind of been, has been color matching this and the GT badge on the back, and it kind of already is color matched, so I left it. Bitch, don't tell me that. Oh, that's a bitch.
oh no, that's tape.
Oh, I was gonna say, that's a...
Tape. I don't know what that is.
That's definitely... No, that's a chip. Damn it.
Anyways.
Anyways.
Do you want to lay on this?
No, I'm okay. I just need a flashlight.
A torch.
That's literally the door. Set it up.
I don't have a tripod.
You're the tripod?
Huh?
You're the tripod.
I'm the tripod. Talk us through what you're doing right now.
Okay, let me not look like a fucking idiot and try to get this to work first. It's definitely not coming off. I'd be like...
What are you worried about?
Her gullet.
turkey neck. Okay.
Alright, so what are you doing, Joe?
So I am taking out these 4 screws on the OEM splitter right now. So if you're looking for splitters and you're not sure, I chose this one, the Rally Innovations one, because it looks the most similar to a PP2.
How expensive was the PP2 splitter for those that are curious?
So you'd have to take off this one because I don't have a performance pack. So if you already started with a performance pack, that saves you a bit. Saves you what, $500, or was that part 250?
No, that was like 500.
So the
450.
performance pack OEM splitter, this part was 500. Then the second step was 250, and then you needed an underbelly. So altogether, it would have ended up costing me almost $1,000.
What did this one cost you?
250?
Say that with confidence.
It was 250. So if you're following to step 2, that is where the clip goes. Right after this edge. Underneath.
So if you look up in there, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Probably not. But there's a little ribbon there. That's what you're supposed to line it up with. If you can get that at all.
I think, yep. There we go.
So that's what you want to line the clip up with.
So we're currently working on the right side of the car, so we're gonna work on the left side now. So if you did end up getting this and you have a non-performance pack lip like I do, listen to the EcoBoost instructions, which are actually going to be a lot easier. So they gave 2 sets of instructions. They gave EcoBoost, and then what it was under GT. They call it GT, but it's performance pack. So basically what you need to do is you need to do, they should have the instructions listed as GT or performance pack or non-performance pack. So it's a little bit confusing, and we did a little bit extra than we needed to. So these clips are not going to be where we said originally.
So what Joe's doing right now is she's pulling out the 4 small 7mm screw nuts or screw bolts, whatever you want to call them, for the outside pieces of the spoiler. Hey Joe. And then once she gets the side piece on, we'll loosely fit those, and then we'll work on fitting the centerpiece and then drilling for the J-nuts on those.
It kind of looks sweet like that.
Little things.
Little things.
Little fangies.
So just loose fit up, but here's a rough idea of what the car will look like when it's done. So next we're gonna fit up the centerpiece, right Joe?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
So put that on top of the other 2 halves. What's going on, Joe?
So we placed the centerpiece where we want. We measured it.
Make sure it was even on both sides.
I was gonna say measured it by your hand, so it may not be perfect.
We measured it by 1 finger width.
1 finger width, so actually now we have to drill. So that's where the rest of the clips will come in. Actually, why is there only 3?
Because they only gave us 3.
Okay, good. And that's why there's 3. I figured there'd be 2 on each side. Okay, so we have to...
We're gonna have to...
We have to mark it, Sharpay.
Well, since we're looking for that, if you're between getting the Roush splitter and this one, which Ken has, this actually is not going to be sticking out as wide as that one's going to be, or as long.
Mm-hmm.
What, do it the other way next
Well,
time?
no, you can just, if you press it, it comes out easy.
So all three of these are pretty off. Like there.
Yeah, right there. And if you just press it again, it comes out easy. And then this is the questionable one that...
This one's real off, Brian. Can we put that back on? I mean...
This one's between two.
Here.
Put the splitter back up and I'll just drill this hole.
Yeah, put
All right.
the splitter back up.
You want to put the J-clips on the other ones first?
I don't think that hole's definitely not big enough.
Well, okay.
That's how big we need to go.
Yeah.
Okay, take that.
Put it between the two. See how much space that eats up?
Did I go through it?
No.
What?
Just sending it, girl.
Fish wasn't fucking around.
So funny.
It's okay. We can pull it that way. You just made it like more ovicular, but it's fine. There's a J clip going in it.
Ovular.
Ovicular?
Ovular.
No. Have you ever heard this argument?
Yes.
It sounds like ovaries. Do you want to do this one?
You can do it.
Ovular.
Ovular, of or relating to ovaries.
Oh, I hate you
I think
guys.
this one might need to go.
Bigger?
It's going into something, but it's fine.
As long as it
It's
doesn't
not going all the way through. It's
Yeah.
just there's like a clippy thing there.
Good job, Joe.
As we're starting to set everything up on the hoist, I wanted to show you, because now you can see it at a better level. I wanted to show you the completed splitter. So this splitter, we again got at CJ Pony Parts, and it's a Rally Innovations. So I just wanted to show you that, to be honest with you, it does look gorgeous from afar. It's really great looking. I do love this, the little bit of arrow on the side, but the fit and finish is not great. As far as putting it on, I would say it was a 2 out of 5. It was pretty easy. You just had to drill into the OEM splitter. But as far as fit and finish, depending on where you're looking at it, it looks like this. So from a distance it's okay, but depending on the angle that you're looking at it, you can see this gap. You can see these holes that were meant for the performance pack. So when you're approaching it at certain angles, you can see all that. So it does the job, I guess, for now, but I'm not 100% satisfied with it. I think it's okay. But again, looking at it at certain angles, you can see the different holes that it was meant to be used for the performance pack. So maybe it's a great idea in theory to be able to have a universal splitter, but I would think that maybe it would be a little bit better idea on their part to maybe create one that was meant specifically for this, which they have listed as EcoBoost splitter. So this is kind of... So overall, for $250, I would say that it does get the job done, and I'll probably leave it on the car for a while.